Prior to 1993, phacosurgery was performed bimanually by using phacoprobe in dominant hand and a cyclodialysis-like instrument in non-dominant hand, which was called second instrument. K. Nagahara introduced the technique of chopping for nucleus division, and it changed the way we did phacoemulsification. It was beginning of a story of chopper, which replaced the second instrument for times to come. We have had any number of modifications in the design of choppers since then. However, all these modifications are limited to change in configuration of the tip of the chopper. We conceived a new modification of chopper design whereby a new band, Roop's band, was added to the intraocular part of chopper, and this new band in chopper story was shared with Mr. Mateen of Epsilon on 13th May 2009. This design with Roop's band gives following advantages. Advantage number 1, better ergonomics. Better ergonomics means using an equipment which is best suited to do a job. For tightening a screw at deeper plane, one needs an angulated wrench, not a straight one. What Nagahara introduced was technique subsequently classified as a technique of horizontal chopping of nucleus. In this technique, the tip of the chopper was required to negotiate the plane between the nucleus and capsule to reach up to periphery of the nucleus. This technique is still regarded as the most efficient chopping technique. But the limitation and potential hazards of introducing chopper tip beyond capsular axis margin force surgeons to look for alternatives like vertical and circumferential chopping. Roop's band in new design allows easy maneuverability of the tip to reach periphery of the nucleus to perform horizontal chopping without risk of damaging the axis margin. This can easily be appreciated in a pseudophakic eye where new design allows easy access to IOL equator, but it is difficult to do so with old design. Advantage number 2, better utilization of vector force. As the force for chopping is applied at an angle to the plane of nucleus surface, only part of that force is being utilized to do work, depending on the angle between the two planes determined by the vector analysis. In our everyday life, we all have learned to use a paper cutter at smallest possible angle to cut a hardboard to achieve better cut. Our design of chopper gives better utilization of vector force during horizontal chopping over traditional design to perform effective chopping with least effort. Advantage number 3, higher torque. Rotation of nucleus is an integral part of phacoemulsification of cataract. The new band added in our new design of chopper allows better access to the peripheral part of the trench to achieve effortless rotation of the nucleus, lessening stress on the capsule and zonules. Advantage 4, ease of splitting of nucleus. After a crack is initiated, it needs to be extended mechanically by separating the two parts by phaco tip and chopper tip. The new band in our design allows the shoulder of the tip of the chopper to act on the nucleus during separation, which is great help in hard and leathery cataracts. While in traditional design, it is only the bent part of the tip which performs this function. To summarize, by adding one more band, we can modify any of the existing chopper designs to get these 4 advantages. Better ergonomics, better utilization of vector forces while chopping, more torque for effective rotation of nucleus, ease of separating nucleus halves. The result is faster and safer surgery, happy patient and happy surgeon. Roop's band can be further refined by changing its angulation and length to work better. Roop's band can similarly be added in other instruments like Couglin's hook and Osher's Y to enhance the performance of these instruments. Thank you.